There is a lot of information to digest when discussing the new UK drone rules, so it would be no surprise that there are a few things in there not everyone will know about yet. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. For a few weeks now we have been bringing you our series of videos on the new UK drone rules, which came into effect from the 31st of December 2020. For more, there's a link in the description to our playlist, and new viewers can hit the subscribe button to get the next videos in this series once they go live. So here are 3 things you might not know about the new UK drone rules. Firstly, did you know you can fly out of visual line of sight with your little hobbyist drone? Point 36 of the CAA Drone Code explains some drones or model aircraft have a follow me mode. That means you can set your aircraft to follow you within a fixed distance. You do not need to keep your drone or model aircraft in direct line of sight when follow me is active and set to follow you within 50 meters of yourself. You must still follow all of the other points. This means that if you're using your drone to track you whilst walking or running, or perhaps to capture that scenic reveal with you in center shot, you can set the follow me mode to run behind you within 50 meters of your position. This should be handy for a number of shots. The second thing you might not know is that there are specific circumstances where you can take your drone above 400 feet from the closest point of the Earth. Now the wording on this point, number 38 from the CAA Drone Code, is very specific. If the person or organisation responsible for a very tall structure over 105 metres asks you to carry out a task related to their structure, you're allowed to fly higher than 120 metres or 400 feet. For example, if they ask you to take pictures for a survey, you must never fly more than 15 metres above the structure. Your drone or model aircraft must be within 50 metres of the structure horizontally when flying over 120 metres or 400 feet. An interesting one, which certainly makes me think about gaining some permissions and instructions to fly some of the taller structures out there. And the third thing you might not know about the new UK drone rules is that although CAP 722 is essentially a mirroring of the new EASA regulations with some UK specific tweaks, as it stands you cannot fly in the EU with a UK registration or CAA certificate such as the A2 CFC alone. Although the EU versions have the same name, as it stands you would need to comply with the EASA rules separately to the new UK drone rules. Although this could be about to change, so keep tuned for updates on this. I for one would love to travel into France and beyond on a droning holiday under the same rules and using my UK qualifications. Fingers crossed. So there you have it, 3 things you might not know about the UK drone rules. Any others you have spotted which are a little unusual? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're still watching this video, please hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
What? You're hanging around. I thought I'd hang around with you. What are we waiting for? Oh, that's it? Well, why are you still here then? It's like the blind leading the blind.